Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to download images from Google Chrome. Also I wonder why you want to download images from Google Chrome. It is because you want a picture so you could use it on your social media, or you could use it to send someone, or maybe you want to create something with that image, or whatever the reason it could be for you to download an image from Google Chrome. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed Google Chrome in your mobile phone. If you have an Android phone, then Google Chrome will be pre-installed in your mobile phone. But if you are using iPhone or any other system, then you have to install it from Google Play Store or App Store and from their store. And once you have installed on it, now it's time to open it. You so just have to simply tap on its icon to open the Google Chrome. Once the Google Chrome open, you could see this is the interface of the Google Chrome. So this is the search bar where we search for things and they appear here. On the top of that we have two options, which is all and images. For example, if you search something in the all, it will show you the links related to it. But if you click on the images and when you search something, it will show you the images of that thing. For example, if you search for cat and go to images, then you will get images of cats. So here I'm just searching for some random stuff like cake, and then we will get the pictures of the cake, and then we will see how we can download these images. As you can see, when I search for cake, I got a lot of images. So if you want to download any one of these, first you have to view it, that if you like it, then you have to click on it, and then that picture will open. After that, what you have to do is you just have to hold your finger on the screen and then few options will pop up. You just have to hold the screen for a second and few options will pop up. And there you can see this option which says download image. So if you click on it, that image will be downloaded into your mobile phone. Again, it will ask you that if you want to download it or not. It is asking you once again because the images that we installed from Google Chrome get the same name, images.jpg. So if you have to download it again, then you have to click on download it again, and you don't have to worry that your all picture will be get deleted. These all will be saved. So here you can see it just got saved when I clicked on open. So this is the image that we saved. Now it is also saved in the mobile phone gallery, and you can also access it to going to mobile phone gallery and opening the download folder. So now I'll just get to the gallery and we'll see if it is downloaded or not. As I got into the download folder, here you can see this is a picture that we downloaded and it is saved in the mobile. Likewise, you can save as many as possible images of your choice. These all images will get saved to your mobile phone gallery, and then you can use it, can send to anybody, and can do whatever you want to do with these images. Here I am downloading another picture with the same process that we did it again, and it will again gets installed or downloaded in the mobile phone gallery. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can download images from Google Chrome. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.